Are you looking to a good smartphone? In this video, we will look at one of the best smartphone on the market. Before we get started our video, we have included link in the description. So click the link if you would like to buy this phone. Nokia has announced the launch of an updated version of its classic candy bar style mobile phone, the Nokia 105 4G. The new version features a larger battery, promising longer battery life than its predecessor. The phone also supports Alipay and is currently available for pre-order at a discounted price of 199 yuan, $29, down from its regular price of 229 yuan. Compared to the old Nokia 105 4G, the new version offers several upgrades, including a 42% increase in battery capacity to 1450 mAh, 32 GB storage expansion, Bluetooth 5.0, and support for MIGU music and Himalaya functions. However, the voice broadcast function has been removed. Additionally, the phone now features bold button fonts and is available in black and blue colors. Despite the changes, the new phone retains the classic candy bar design and physical buttons, making it an ideal choice for elderly users, students, and those in need of a backup phone. Nokia 105 4G here remains a standout feature, providing quick access to Alipay by right-clicking or through the payment menu. The payment QR code or barcode can be accessed by clicking on Payment Code. Nokia 105 4G supports dual card, dual standby, and dual 4G full netcom, with dual nano SIM card slots enabling dual SIM dual 4G online simultaneously. Volt HD voice calls are also supported, making it a great option for anyone looking for a reliable phone. Other features of the Nokia 105 4G include wireless external radio, which can be played through the speaker or without headphones. A one-button flashlight is available, with the up direction button used to turn it on or off. Lastly, the classic Snake game is pre-installed on the phone. Powered by UNISOC's T107 lightweight chip, the new Nokia 105 4G is a worthy successor to the original. It is set to ship on April 28, and it is expected to be a popular choice among consumers looking for a reliable and affordable mobile phone.